Share Tableau Certified Consultant TCC-C01 Real questions for preparation. 1. A client has many published data sources in Tableau server. The data sources use the same databases and tables. The client notices different departments give different answers to the same business questions, and the departments cannot trust the data. The client wants to know what causes data sources to return different data. Which tool should the client use to identify this issue? A. Tableau Prep Conductor. B. Ask Data. C. Tableau Catalog. D. Tableau Resource Monitoring Tool. Answer: C. 2. A client has a published data source in Tableau server and they want to revert to the previous version of the data source. The solution must minimize the impact on users. What should the consultant do to accomplish this task? A. Request that a server administrator restore a Tableau server backup. B. Delete and recreate the data source manually. C. Select the previous version from Tableau server, download it, and republish that data source. D. Select the previous version from Tableau server, and then click Restore. Answer: D. 3. A Tableau Cloud client has requested a custom dashboard to help track which data sources are used most frequently in dashboards across their site. Which two actions should the client use to access the necessary metadata? Choose 2. A. Connect directly to the site content data source within the Admin Insights project. B. Query metadata through the GraphQL engine. C. Access metadata through the Metadata API. D. Download metadata through Tableau Catalog. Answer: B, C. 4. A client notices that while creating calculated fields, occasionally the new fields are created as strings, integers, or booleans. The client asks a consultant if there is a performance difference among these three data types. What should the consultant tell the customer? A. Strings are fastest, followed by integers, and then booleans. B. Integers are fastest, followed by booleans, and then strings. C. Strings, integers, and booleans all perform the same. D. Booleans are fastest, followed by integers, and then strings. Answer: B. 5. A new Tableau user created a simple dashboard on Tableau server using supply chain data. Now, the user wants to know if they created the dashboard in accordance with specific performance best practices. Which approach should the consultant recommend for the client to make this determination? A. Use inbuilt dashboards in Tableau server to troubleshoot the performance. B. Use performance recording on Tableau server. C. Use performance recording in Tableau desktop. D. Run Workbook Optimizer. Answer: D. 6. A client requests a published Tableau data source that is connected to SQL Server. The client needs to leverage the multiple tables option to create an extract. The extract will include partial data from the SQL Server data source. Which action will reduce the amount of data in the extract? A. Use an extract filter. B. Aggregate the extract to the visible dimensions. C. Define the filters by using custom SQL. D. Set up the extract as an incremental refresh. Answer A. 7. A consultant is designing a dashboard that will be consumed on desktops, tablets, and phones. The consultant needs to implement a dashboard design that provides the best user experience across all the platforms. Which approach should the consultant take to achieve these results? A. Build one dashboard that has desktop, tablet, and phone layouts, and fix the size of the layouts. B. Build one dashboard and fix the size of the dashboard. C. Build one dashboard and set the size to automatic. D. Build one dashboard for each type of device and fix the size of the layouts. Answer A. 8. A client has a published dashboard. They change the dashboard and then republish it. Now, users report that their web browser bookmarks to the dashboard are broken. What are two possible causes for this issue? Choose 2. A. New credentials were embedded into the data source. B. The dashboard was published to a different project. C. Tableau server was upgraded. D. The dashboard was published with a new name. Answer B, D. 9. A client builds a dashboard that presents current and long-term stock measures. Currently, the data is at a daily level. The data presents as a bar chart that presents monthly results over current and previous years. Some measures must present as monthly averages. What should the consultant recommend to limit the data source for optimal performance? A. Move calculating averages to data layer and aggregate dates to monthly level. B. Limit data to current and previous years and leave data at daily level to calculate the averages in the report. C. Limit data to current and previous years, move calculating averages to data layer, and aggregate dates to monthly level. D. Limit data to current and previous years as well as to the last day of each month to eliminate the need to use the averages. Answer C. 10. A consultant creates a histogram that presents the distribution of profits across a client's customers. The labels on the bars show percent shares. The consultant used a quick table calculation to create the labels. Now, the client wants to limit the view to the bins that have at least a 15% share. The consultant creates a profit filter but it changes the percent labels. Which approach should the consultant use to produce the desired result? A. Use a calculation with total function instead of a quick table calculation. B. Add the profit filter to the context. C. Filter with a table calculation window _AVG, min, profit, first, last. D. Filter with the table calculation used to create labels. Answer B.